What's up, people from YouTube? This is Dragon Ball Universe. I'm bringing you a brand new video today, and today I'm gonna try to clean this. Hold on. This PS2 with all the wires, the controller, and the system. And I know you guys will be like, "Oh, you're disgusting! You're taking the trash." And some racist people will be like, "Oh my God, you're a dirty Mexican. Throw that shit away, stupid ass." Like, no. I'ma clean this PS2. After you clean it, you do not, I repeat, you do not turn it on and try it out. You have to wait 24 hours, and then from there, if it's still a little bit of dirt, clean it a little bit, and then from there, test it out. But you have to wait 24 hours. Okay, guys? I'm gonna try to film this in the bathtub. Right there. I know this screen for the iPhone 7 Plus is a 169 screen. It's water resistant to 1 layer of water. If it's true, I'm not that idiot to put it like in a water. Like, bruh. No, I'm gonna try to put it in that little corner right there. See if I can film it like this. Like if it's like filming like down here and stuff. But I'm gonna try it. Let me see how many batteries. I got 42. I got 42 batteries. Let me see if it works. Still recording. Okay. What's up? So yeah, I'm gonna try to clean this PS2. I have to wait 24 hours to use it. If it doesn't use it, I have to buy a new motherboard, a new fan, mod it, and then fix the controller, and then from there, it could be a working system.
Hey!
What?
Talk to yourself.
I'm doing a YouTube video. That's what you do.
I hope you're not planning on leaving that in the bathtub overnight.
No.
Because we need to shower.
No. Say hi.
No, don't. Go.
But yeah, that was my friend coming in and check on me and be like, "Oh my God, you talk to yourself." No. But first thing is, I'm gonna clean the main component. This PS2 box. You can say it says PlayStation 2, PlayStation, Sony, everything looks normal. I have to wait 24 hours to test it, but this is the box. If you guys remember, this is the places to look at. The buttons, the eject button and the power button still works. This still go down. The back is just dirty on top, not that much of gunk. I put it aside right here, if you cannot see me. I put it right here next to me. Then, this wire, right here. Let me see if I can take it out. Okay, this power cord, I literally still have mine from my other PS2. Have that. And I found, oh shit. And I found this Sonic Heroes for the PS2. You can see, Sonic Heroes. Don't mind the gunk. I'm gonna clean it off. I'm gonna do a little spit vomit. But this is a quick fix. I got 3 other games. The other one is Sonic, what the hell? SpongeBob, Creatures, Krusty Krab. And then I got the Need for Speed Underground and The Incredibles. That's the new Incredibles movie came out, if you guys seen. I didn't see it. I know they did a lot for Jack's ability in the new Incredibles movie. Okay. Can we just put this on top of the controller? On top of the back? Okay. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. If you find a system and it's dirty, if you want to clean it, Do not, I repeat, do not copy what I do in this video, okay guys? This is my way, my version to clean the system. If it's not correct, I'm just gonna test it out, like I said, in 24 hours. I'm not gonna leave it here because we have to take showers. Hello. But yeah, I know you can't see it, but I'm gonna start doing it right now. I'm not gonna use no soap. I don't wanna waste it. This is the rag I'm gonna use. Yeah. And yes, I live in Tennessee now. Before I used to live in California and I moved to Tennessee. Why? My mom wanted to start a new life. I really wanted to stay over there, but my brother told me to go with her. So I came with her. And yeah, I hope you like this video. I know you cannot see it that much, but yeah, let me see if I can put it down here, guys. Sorry for my hand. Yeah, you still cannot see it. If somehow I can put it like that. Nope. Ah. Alright, I'm gonna start now. If you got a wet wire that has an opening like this, like the ps2 one, or the power cable, you have to wait, let it dry. These you can test it out and stuff, but you have to wait for like 5 minutes. It's a little hole, so you have to wait like 10 or even 30, half an hour. It depends on the wires you clean. But first you do is you wipe it off without even wetting it. You just wipe it off like this. I know I don't talk much, but whatever minute video it is, that's what it is, okay guys? You seen how before it had a lot of gunk? Now it doesn't. Now I put it in the corner, and I'm gonna show you the towel. Look, that's how much gunk that wire have. Now I'm gonna do the 3 color wires that are this one. If I get cut off by a phone call, I'm gonna do my outro now just in case. So yeah guys, if I get cut off, I'm sorry. I'm gonna upload it again. I'm gonna upload this one first. It'll be like part 1 and then part 2. Yeah, this is gonna be part 1 of cleaning the ps2. Okay guys, I love you guys and see you tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not gonna click off. That's my outro, just in case if I get hang up by somebody call me, okay? But anyway, let's continue. You see how much gunk you guys have this have? Look at it. See how much gunk this have, right? You see it? Alright, like I did earlier, get your rag, clean off all the gunk. I know it'll be like, oh, caca, shit. I used to be a custodial worker for 2 whole years. This is nothing. This is nothing. I know it's nasty, but if you don't want it, you can clean it off, fix it, and resell it again. If this wire doesn't work, I got another one in my closet. That's the second part. After I finish cleaning the first part and then finish it on the second part, I'm gonna show my closet. But yeah, I live in an apartment. I'm not gonna give you the whole information, but I live in an apartment because I don't want like no spam mail or like people saying, "Oh my God, this guy's got to kill his girlfriend. Cops, go to this address." La la la. Yeah, it happens to a lot of YouTubers, and you know who I'm talking about, you guys. Like some gamers. They are swatted. That kid who got the sneakers for life. He got the cops calling on him. and everything. This part's gotta be a little bit hard, you guys. Let me just, I'm gonna use this tiny little skinny oh no, it looks not skinny, but I'm gonna use that to go inside if I can. Hello. I might have to wet it just in case. I'm gonna wet it. This is a little bit cleaner. I'm gonna put this right behind the ps2. I know it'll be like, oh, don't wet it, you're gonna fuck it up. If it's fucked, oh sorry, if it messed up, I got back up in my closet. Oh, this sounds pretty. All right, here you go. Yeah, like how I just wet it right now. You have to wait 24 hours to use the cord because it has a little gap right here. If you guys can see it, there's a gap right there, and our wires is wet right now. I'm not. You don't be dumb and put it right here after you clean the system. No, you have to wait 24 hours. I'm not gonna edit this video. I never edit my videos. Look, literally, if you guys seen it the first time in 2013 when I first uploaded my first video, I didn't edit it at all. It just cut off somehow, like do a little weird thing. And yeah, almost done, Sarah. I'm almost done. Yeah, my girlfriend's just check up on me. Hold on. See how it looks way cleaner? And before you were like, oh, it looks disgusting. That's the part I have trouble with. That right here. This corner right here. This one right here. That's the bone is good. But this one I have trouble with. Yeah, if your towel or your rag is dirty, put it to the side and grab a fresh one. Actually, I'm still gonna use that one just because I have this thing still. Yeah?
I'm going to the shower. Don't you video?
I'm almost done.
I need to shower.
I'm almost done, Sam. You're not showing nothing in the video.
What's that out there?
You're not showing nothing in the video. Please, I'm almost done. This is the last thing.
What is the smell sitting here?
I don't know. The cat chased someone.
No, that's 40 for smell that.
Yeah, guys. This is gonna be my first part, and then my second part, I'm gonna clean it. Actually, no, it's only gonna be the first part of this one. The second part, I'm still gonna title the same thing. No, actually no. My closet. I'm gonna title something, but this is gonna be part one. Oh, cleaning and repairing. No, cleaning systems. Alright. Well, this cord is clean, so I'll put it back here.